Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install Minecraft launcher from Microsoft Store, or if you're unable to install it from Xbox app because of this error code, that is 0x87e00029. So if you're receiving this error code, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to, if you have Xbox app installed, on the top left here you can see profile icon, click on it, then go to support, and over here you will see gaming services repair tool. Click on it, click on start repairing, click on yes to allow, and let the repair complete. Now once the repair is complete, now you can try to install Minecraft launcher and then check. Still you are unable to install it, then please follow rest of the steps shown in this video.
Now the first step is to log in with same account on Microsoft Store and with same account on Xbox app. So go to Xbox app. On the top left over here you can see a profile icon. Click on it and then click on sign out. And then go to Microsoft Store. On the top right over here you can see the profile icon. Click on it, then click on sign out. Now click on sign in. Now select the right account and then click on continue. It will be asking for your PIN or password, so enter the PIN or password over here. Now once logged in, go to Xbox app and then click on sign in, and select the same account which you have selected in Microsoft Store. So over here you will see switch option. So if the account is not right, you can click on switch and then select the right account. So we can click on switch account and select the same account which you have selected in Microsoft Store, and then once you're logged in, then you can click on let's play and then check. Now still you're facing the problem, then if installing launcher from Xbox app, then try installing the launcher from Microsoft Store. Now if you're using Store, then you can use Xbox app. So if you're facing problem installing it from Xbox app, in that case you can try to install it from Microsoft Store. So in Microsoft Store you can type in Minecraft launcher or Minecraft game, whichever game you're trying to download, and then you can click on install over here. Now in my case this is already installed. So if you're facing problem on Xbox app, then use Microsoft Store. Now if you're facing problem in installing it from store, then you can open Xbox app and then install it from Xbox app. Now the next step is to download it from my Minecraft website. So you can go to this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Minecraft website. Now over here you can see download launcher for Windows 10 or 11. So click on download and then you can run the exe file and then you can install it from Minecraft website. So you can run this file and install it. Now still you are unable to install it. In that case you can download Windows Legacy Launcher. So you can click on this file and then run this exe file. So run this exe file and you can install the Windows Legacy Launcher. You can download this version and install it and then check. Now still you are unable to install it, then run this PowerShell command. This command is provided in the video description. So type in PowerShell in Windows search box and then make a right click on Windows PowerShell and then click on run as administrator. So make a right click and then click on run as administrator. Make sure that you always open PowerShell as an administrator and then click on yes to allow. Now paste the command over here and then hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time, and during this process you will see some errors in red color. So if you see any kind of errors in red color like this, just ignore it and let the process complete. Now once the process is complete, you can restart your computer and then try to install Minecraft launcher. Now still you are unable to install. In that case, delete Microsoft local store cache file. Now for this, go to this location So open File Explorer, go to C drive. Now open C drive. Now open users folder. Now open your username folder. Now open AppData folder. Now if you don't see AppData on the top, click on view and then select show and then put a check on hidden items. You should be able to see AppData. In Windows 10, somewhere over here you will find the view option. Click on view and then somewhere over here you will find hidden items option. Put a check on hidden items box and you should be able to see AppData. Now open AppData folder. Now open the local folder. Now open the packages folder and then scroll down and find Microsoft Windows Store. So over here you can see Microsoft Windows Store underscore some alphanumeric character. Open this folder and here you can see local cache folder. Make a right click and then click on delete. Now once this is deleted, now you can open Xbox app or Microsoft Store and then try to install Minecraft Launcher. Now the next step is to repair or reset Xbox app and Microsoft Store. So type in store in Windows search box and then make a right click on Microsoft Store and then click on app settings. Make a right click, then click on app settings. Now it will take you to Windows settings. Now on this screen, scroll down and over here you can see the repair option. Click on repair and after the repair you can try to install launcher. Still you're facing the problem. In that case you can perform reset. So if this does not work, you can perform reset. So just below it you can see the reset option. Click on reset, and after the reset you can try to install Minecraft Launcher. But still you're facing the problem, then you can type in Xbox app, make a right click on Xbox app and then click on app settings. And do the same thing, that is perform repair. If that does not work, you can reset. So on this screen, scroll down and then click on repair. So here you can see the repair option. After the repair, try to install Minecraft Launcher. If that does not work, you can perform reset. So now try to install launcher. If that does not work, you can click on reset, and after the reset, you can open Xbox app or Microsoft Store and then try to install Minecraft Launcher. Now still you are unable to install it. In that case, update Xbox app in Microsoft Store from Store library. So open Microsoft Store on a computer. Now on the bottom left over here you can see library option. Click on library. Now once you click on library, on the top right here you can see get updates option. So click on get updates. Once all the updates are installed, make sure that you click on get updates. Once all the updates are installed, now you can restart your computer and then try to install the launcher. Now the next step is to install Xbox Identity Provider and Gaming Services. Now for this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Over here you can see Get in Store app. Click on it. It will prompt you to open Microsoft Store. So click on Open Microsoft Store. And if Xbox Identity Provider is not installed, you will see Install button over here or Get button. In my case, this is already installed, so there is no button over here. So if you don't see any install or get button, just ignore it. Follow the next step. If you see the install or get button, install it and then uninstall and reinstall gaming services. Now for this, copy this command. This command is provided in the video description. Type in PowerShell in Windows search box and then make a right click on Windows PowerShell and then click on run as administrator. Make sure that you always open PowerShell as an administrator. Click on yes to allow and then paste the command over here. Hit the enter key. This will uninstall gaming services from your computer. Now once This is uninstall. Copy the next command. Copy this command and then paste it on the same window and then hit the enter key. Now this will open Microsoft Store on a computer, and then you will see install option to install gaming services. So click on install and then click on yes to allow and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can open Xbox app or Microsoft Store and then try to install Minecraft Launcher. If that does not work, start all these services. So type in services in Windows search box and then click on services app. Now find IP helper in the list. Make a double click on IP helper, set it to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted and then click on OK. Now find Xbox services. At the end, you will find all the Xbox services over here. Make a double click on each Xbox services, set it to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Again, make a right double click, then set it to automatic, click on apply, if, then click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. And again, make a double click, set it to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. And then again automatic, apply, click on start and then click on OK. Now find Windows Update, make a double click on Windows Update, set it to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted and then click on OK. Now find gaming services in the list. So make sure gaming services are running over here. If not running, you can make a right click and then click on start or restart. If it is already running, so in my case it's already running, then you can stop the service and then restart the service. Now restart, make a right click once again, then click on start, again make a right click and then click on start. Now find Microsoft Store install service, make a double click, set it to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted and then click on OK. Now you can open Xbox app or Microsoft Store and then try to install Minecraft Launcher. Now the next step is to update Windows to the latest version. Now this is very important. So open Windows settings. So go to Windows Update or Update and Security in Windows 10 and then click on check for update. Once all the updates are installed over here and then restart a computer. So make sure all the updates are installed, only then restart the computer and then you can try to install launcher. Next step is to run ws reset command. So type in ws reset in Windows search box and then click on ws reset command. This will open black screen for a moment and then it will open Microsoft Store. Now you can try to install Minecraft Launcher. Next step is to uninstall and reinstall Xbox app and Microsoft Store. To uninstall Xbox app, you can simply type in Xbox app and then make a right click and then click on uninstall and then click on uninstall. Now once Xbox app is uninstalled, now uninstall Microsoft Store. So copy this command. This command is provided in the video description. Type in PowerShell in Windows search box and then make a right click on Windows PowerShell and then click on run as administrator. Again, open PowerShell as an administrator only. Now click on yes to allow. Now paste the command over here and then copy this command. Let me copy this. Paste it and then hit the enter key. Now this will uninstall Microsoft Store from your computer. So this time when you type in Microsoft Store, you won't see Microsoft Store. Now restart a computer. After this, restart a computer. Now after the system restart, copy the second command. This command is also provided in the video description. Now again type in PowerShell in Windows search box and then make a right click on Windows PowerShell, and then click on Run as Administrator, and then click on Yes to allow, and then paste the command over here, and then hit the Enter key. So copy this command and then paste it over here, hit the Enter key. This will reinstall Microsoft Store on your computer. Now type in Store and you should be able to see Microsoft Store. Now you can try to install Minecraft Launcher. Now the next step is to try installing the launcher in C drive, or you can try different drive. So you can open Windows settings and then go to System, and then go to Storage. Click on Storage. Now once you click on Storage, scroll down and click on Advanced Storage Settings, and then click on where new content is saved. Now if you're trying to install it on some other drive, this is just an example. So here you can see new apps will save to. So if another drive is selected, in that case you can select C drive over here. So select C drive and then click on apply. Now you can open Microsoft Store or Xbox app and then try to install Minecraft launcher. So you can do it, you can install it from Store or Xbox app and then check. So try to install in C drive and then check. Now if you are facing the error in C drive, in that case you can select another drive. If you have another external SSD or HDD, you can select the other drive, then click on apply for new apps, and then you can try to install the Minecraft launcher and then check. Now still you're facing the problem, then rename WP system and Windows apps folder. If you are trying to install it in another drive, then try renaming WP system and Windows apps folder.
Now to rename WP system folder, open File Explorer on your computer, go to this PC, open D drive. Now over here you can see WP system. When you try to rename it, you won't be able to rename it because you will receive some kind of error message that you are not allowed. Now, so make a right click on WP system folder and then select properties, go to the security tab. We will go ahead and take the ownership of this folder. So go to security tab and then click on advanced. Now click on change over here and then type in everyone over here, everyone, and then click on check names, then click on OK. Now put a check on the box which says replace owner on subcontainers and objects, and then click on apply, OK, 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 and then again make a right click on WP system folder, select properties once again, go to the security tab once again, click on advanced once again. Now this time click on add over here and then click on select a principal. Now type in everyone once again and then check names, OK. Now put a check on the box which says full control and then click on OK, apply, OK, OK. So now you can rename it, make a right click, then click on rename it as WP system.old. Now still you face problem. In that case you can go ahead and restart your computer and then try to rename it once again. Open File Explorer and then go to this PC, open D drive, then make a right click on Windows apps and then rename it. Now before rename you have to take the ownership, make a right click, then click on properties, go to security tab, advanced. Now click on change over here, type in everyone in the box. Now click on check names, then click on OK. Now put a check on the box which says replace owner on subcontainers and objects and then click on apply, OK, OK, again OK. Again make a right click on Windows apps, select properties, security tab, advanced, and this time click on add, select a principal, everyone, check names, OK, put a check on the box which says full control, OK, apply, OK, OK. Now make a right click on Windows apps and then click on rename and then rename it as Windows apps.old. Now
While renaming it, if you receive any kind of error message which says file is open, in that case, open Task Manager on your computer. Make a right click on the Start menu, click on Task Manager. Now if you find gaming services, make a right click and then click on End Task, and also open services over here, and then go to services and find gaming services. Make a right click on gaming services, click on Stop. So in my case it's not running, so let me go ahead and so make a right click, then click on Stop. Again make a right click and then click on Stop. Make sure gaming services is not running, and then you can go ahead and try to rename it as windowsapps.old. Once the rename is done, make a right click and then start the service.
Now in previous step, we have uninstalled and reinstalled store. I forgot to reinstall Xbox app, so you can go to store and then type in Xbox app, and then you can reinstall Xbox app from Microsoft Store, and then you can try to install launcher. Now the next step is to run inetcpl.cpl command. So type in inetcpl.cpl in Windows search box, and then click on inetcpl.cpl over here. And then go to the advanced tab over here, and then scroll down. Over here you can see use TLS 1.0, use TLS 1.1, use TLS 1.2, use TLS 1.3. Make sure all four are checked over here. If not checked, check that is TLS 1.1, 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. Make sure all four are checked, and then click on apply, click on OK, and then open Microsoft Store or Xbox app, and then try to install Minecraft launcher. Now the last step is to update Windows to the latest version using media creation tool. So if nothing is working, you can update your Windows 10 or 11 using media creation tool, and then try to install launcher.
If you have Windows 10, copy this link. If you have Windows 11, copy this link. Windows 10 users, go to this website. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download tool now, and then run this exe file. Then you will see the screen. Click on accept. By default, upgrade this PC now would be selected. Click on next. It will start downloading Windows 10 along with the latest update. Now this process will take some time. Now once the download is complete, before the installation, you will see this screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So click on install, and once the installation is complete, log into your computer. Now for Windows 11 users, go to this website. Here also you will find media creation tool. Click on download now, and then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Now this will load Windows 11 media creation tool. Now click on accept. By default, Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file, then click on next. You can save the location. You can set the location as desktop, and then click on save over here. Now once the download is complete, click on finish and then go to desktop. Find Windows ISO file. Make a double click on Windows ISO file. Then run the setup file. Make a double click on setup file. Click on yes to allow. This will load Windows 11 now. And here you can see install Windows 11. Click on next. It will check for update. Then click on accept. Again, it will check for update. Now before the installation, you will see the screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. Click on install. After the installation, log into your computer.
So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install Minecraft launcher successfully from Microsoft Store or Xbox app on your Windows computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.
So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install Minecraft launcher successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.